Hello, how are you children? I hope everybody fine at your home. Today you will study chapter number 11, fundamental concept of algebra. Before starting, I am telling children, whatever I am sending the video, you have to study that video lesson and write down on your copy. Then after 1 week, I will give the first term syllabus. Okay, according to video only syllabus will become. Okay. Now each concept first we will display. Okay, algebra. What is algebra? Algebra meaning it is a simple language used to create mathematical models of real world situations and to handle problems that we can't solve using just arithmetic. For that we are using algebra. See, just like science, you are studying in science, physics, chemistry, biology, like mathematics also so many branches. One of the branch algebra. Okay. Next, algebraic expression. What is meant by algebraic expression? Algebraic expression meaning the expression containing variable. Variable meaning English alphabets. English alphabets. We are telling variable X, Y, A, B, K, any small letter you have to take. Variables along with mathematical operations and numbers. Okay, that we can say algebraic expressions. Algebraic expression meaning variables, numbers, and along with mathematical operations. We are telling algebraic expression. Numbers we are telling constants. Then algebraic expression contain what are the things? Variables are there, constants are there, mathematical operation. Mathematical operations meaning addition, subtraction, division, multiplication. And see, in between addition and subtraction, suppose the algebraic expression is x square minus 2x plus 3 plus minus 1 by y. Suppose like that one algebraic expression. How many terms are there? Term meaning when plus and minus sign, plus or minus sign coming in between the each one, that will split into terms. See, minus here, that meaning this 2 will become 2 terms. Here plus, then this also divide into terms. Here minus, this also divide into terms. Then how many terms? 1, 2, 3, 4 terms. Again we will consider x square minus 3x cube plus 2x divided by 4. How many terms are there? In between minus sign or plus sign, only we have to consider minus or plus. No other sign like division, multiplication. We will not check it division and multiplication. Only we will check it minus and plus. In both anyone coming in between, then algebraic expression splitting into terms. Now count it. Here minus coming, so 1, 2 terms. Here plus, then again it is splitting into terms. But here division we will not consider. Okay, that will consider in one time only. Then how many total? 1, 2, 3. This will consider 1 only. In between division, multiplication we will not count it as term. I hope everybody clear. Numeral, literal. 2 we can say constants, otherwise numeral. Number. 2 we are telling constant, numeral. English alphabets we are telling variable. English alphabets we are telling variables. Numbers we are telling constant, numeral. Variable meaning vary. The value will be vary as situations coming. As per the situations, the variable take the values. So x and y, English alphabets we are telling variables, and numbers we are telling constant, numeral. Now coming coefficient. What is called a coefficient? We are sometimes calling coefficient, otherwise coefficient. Coefficient, what is mean by coefficient? Coefficient meaning along with the variable. Suppose this expression you see, along with the variable, which number is coming, along with the sign you have to take. This coming, that is called minus 3. Minus 3 is called a numerical coefficient. Numerical coefficient of x raised to 3. Because along with x raised to 3, this number is coming. So x raised to 3 numerical coefficient is minus 3, and literal coefficient of minus 3 is x cube. See, along with the minus 3, which is the variable, x raised to 3. So coefficient of minus 3, literal coefficient is x raised to 3, and the numerical coefficient of x raised to 3 is minus 3. I hope everybody clear. Again, minus 4 x cube y square is set. What is the coefficient of x cube? Coefficient asking, which coefficient asking, that time you cut out, that number you cut out, yeah, that variable you cut out. Rest whatever it is, that is called the coefficient of that respective variable, yeah, that respective numeral. I am asking what is the coefficient of x cube. So you have to cut out x cube. What is left out? Minus 4 y square is set. It is the coefficient of x raised to 3. Clear? If what is the coefficient of y? What is the coefficient of y? Here y 2 time is there. I am asking only y. So 1 y I will cut out. Then 1 will be left out or not? Then what will left out? Minus 4 y x cube y is set. Minus 4 x cube y is set. One of the y I am asking the coefficient of y. Clear? Coefficient which one asking, that one you cut out. Rest of the things whatever it is that you write down, that is the coefficient of whatever mentioned in the question. Clear? Now next is monomial binomial, monomial binomial, trinomial, multinomial and polynomial. See, algebraic expression splitting according to terms, according to degree. Two types splitting are there. One is according to terms, we can split algebraic expression. According to degree also we can split out algebraic expression. According to term, if one term is there, that means 3x, one term only. 2x by y, one time only, because division we will not consider as the terms. 4 into 3x, this also one time only. Multiplication also we will not consider. X raised to 4, one time. These are called monomials. Monomial. One term monomial. Two terms. Here two terms are there. Two terms, that is binomial. If three terms are there, 3x plus 4y plus 5z. Three terms. Three terms, trinomial. 4 term, multinomial. More than 3 terms we are calling multinomial. Suppose 4x cube plus 8x square plus 2x minus 1 See how many terms? 1, 2, 3, 4. More than 3 terms we are telling multinomial. When multinomial become a polynomial, see, you have to check it the degree. Degree meaning upper right side of the variable. Which number is there? That is called a degree. Here 3, here 2, here nothing is there. That meaning 1. Here no variable. So variable you can put and up to 0. Degree coming 0. Because you already studied in exponents, any number raised to 0 equal to 1. We can say x raised to 0. X raised to 0 is 1 only. 1 into 1, 1. So x raised to 0, that meaning variable degree 0. Variable degree, you have to check it. The degree belongs to whole numbers. Degree should be belongs to whole numbers. Then we can say that multinomial is a polynomial. Again, 2x raised to 4 minus x raised to 3 plus 5x square minus 4. See here, variable degree 4, 3, 2, nothing is there. Variable is not there, so we can put x. So all are belongs to whole numbers. So it is a polynomial. Clear? Now you check it. 3xy x square y cube minus 4x y square plus 7xy minus 5. See xy 3 plus 2, 5 is the degree. Here 1 plus 2, 3 is the degree. Here nothing, then 1, 1, 2 is the degree. Here no variable, then 0 is the degree. Like that only you have to take the degree. If 2 variable in one term, you have to add it that degree. Now next, 5x raised to 4 minus 3x raised to minus 2 plus 2. 3 terms are there. It is a polynomial or not? I told you variable degree should be belongs to whole number. Then only we can say that is a polynomial. Here 4 is whole number. Minus 2 is a whole number? No. So it is not a polynomial. Another one, 3 by x plus 5. X is down. This variable come up. It will come minus 1 only. If variable coming in denominator side, then also it is not a polynomial, because that variable come up, that degree will come negative. So it is not a polynomial. I hope everybody understood. When the multinomial become a polynomial, multinomial's degree belongs to whole numbers, then the multinomial become the polynomial. Okay children, I hope everybody understood. This only exercise 11.1. We will check it out. Exercise 11.1. Write the numeral factors of the following term. Numeral meaning numbers. Which are the numbers here? 9, 12 and 85. Numeral factors. Next, write the algebraic expression. According to the sentence, you have to make the expression. Minus 4 is subtracted from the sum of x and y. Always I am telling, when subtraction question is there, along with this subtraction one another word will come, that is from. See, so after from which numbers coming, that will come first in subtraction question. After from what is that? The sum of x and y. Sum meaning addition. X plus y will come first, and subtraction sign. Which one you have to subtract? Minus 4. Next, 2 is added with the product of x square and y. Product meaning multiplication, x square into y. Okay. Then you have to add with the 2. 2 is add up. Product of 4x and y is divided by 2x. Product meaning multiplication. You have to multiply 4x and y. 4xy divided by 2x. No need to put multiplication sign here. Variable you can write together. Sum of x and 3y is multiplied with the product of x and y. Sum of x and 3y, that is x plus 3y, is multiplied. X plus 3y multiply with 7 into y. Subtracted from the sum of y square and 42. That is y square 2/5 meaning 2 by 5. Subtract. I already told you subtract along with the from. After from which is the sum of y square and 42. That is y square plus 42. Subtraction sign. What you have to subtract? 2 by 5th of y. Next. In minus 19 x square y cube z square u. Write the coefficient of. Just now only I told the coefficient meaning which variable coefficient you know, that variable you cut out and rest of thing whatever left out that you have to write out. Minus x coefficient. Minus x you delete here 2 times x is there. One of the x you want. So another one x will be left out here. Then minus 19 x y cube z square u. Next you want x square coefficient. Then x square you cut out rest minus 19 y cube z square u. Like that x square y. X square and one of the y you take, 2y will be left out here. Then minus 19 y z square u. Clear? Minus 19 y square z square u. Next minus 19 x y z coefficient. Minus 19 x y z. 1 you have to take out. Then rest of them minus 19 also you taken. Then which will be left out? X y square minus z x y square z du. Minus 19 x y z. So minus 19 x y z you cut out. But what will left out? X y square z u. Next, x square yu. You cut out x square yu. You will get minus 19 y square z square. Like that minus 19 x square y cube z square u. The coefficient of minus x square y square z square u. Check it out. Cut out. You will get a 19 yu. Next, write down the algebraic expression whose terms are term given. You have to write the algebraic expression. Expression you want, the comma you have to take out. You want a term, then you have to put a comma. Term you want, put a comma. Expression you want, then take out the comma. Here terms given. Take out the comma. What you will get? 4s cube plus. Nothing sign is there, that meaning plus. Take out the comma. Here also plus. Here minus sign is there. Write out the algebraic expression. See comma you take out. First question. See comma I take out. 4s cube instead of comma plus, because here no sign so plus sign. Here also no sign so plus. Here already minus sign is there. Take out the comma and you write it. 2 plus 3x square plus 5 by 7x y plus x cube by minus 11. Okay, like that you take out the comma. Here minus sign. Here also you take out. Here nothing is there, then plus. Here minus sign. Next, identify monomial, binomial and trinomial. How many terms? Here negative and positive. Then 1, 2, 3 terms. That is trinomial. Here 1 and 2 bracket meaning 1 term. 1 and 2 term binomial. Note count 1, 2, 3 because here plus sign. Here bracket is there. Bracket consider as 1. 1, 2 binomial. Here division we will not consider, so it is a monomial. Here multiplication division only. Here also we will not consider as term. One term monomial. Here 1, 2, 3 terms, that is trinomial. Now question number 6. Here given expression given. Here to find out the how many terms are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms are there. Which are the terms? Terms you want, I told you. You take out this plus sign and put a comma. Plus sign you want 19x square, 5xy cube z. Here minus 12 is there, comma, and minus 12x square y. Here also minus 15xy, comma 10. Nothing is there, meaning plus. Numerical coefficient of xy. Xy numerical coefficient. Number. Which number is along with xy? Minus 15. Numerical coefficient of xy cube z. Xy cube z. Which is the number? 5. Literal coefficient of minus 12. Minus 12 literal. Which is the variable? X square y. It is a polynomial or not? It is a polynomial or not? Check it the degrees. It is whole number 2. How much? Here 1 is there. Here 1 is there. 3 plus 1. 4 plus 1. 5. Here 2 plus 1. 3. Here degree 2. Here 1. 3 plus 1. 4 plus 1. 5 degree. Here 3 degree, here 2 degree, here 0 degree. That means x raised to 0. Here 2 degree. See which one number degree is greater? 5 is greater. So degree of the polynomial is 5. Clear, children? Which term degree is higher? That degree is the whole polynomial degree. Before starting exercise 11.2, there also two concepts are there. What are the two concepts? Like terms. Like terms. Like terms meaning, children, same variable. See 7x and 4x. These are like terms. 9xy, 4xy, like terms. 9x square y, 4xy square, like term or not? Check it. Here x 2 times, here x 1 time only. So it is not a like term. Like terms meaning variable degree along with the all should be same. Then only we can say like terms. Variable should be same. Number we will not check it out. Degree also should be same. Variable. Then only we can say that variables are like terms. Okay. So when you want to add, when you want to subtract two algebraic expressions, you can subtract or add only like terms. Okay. Like that, we need 2 pencil plus 3 pencil. That you can add. 3 plus 2 is 5 pencil. Like that only 2x plus 3x. You can say 5x. Otherwise 2 pencil plus 3 pens. You can add 5 pencil. No. Like that only 2x plus 3y. Pen meaning y, pencil meaning x. You can't add. Clear? Like terms you can add. Variable equal, then you can add. If variables are different, the different degree, you can't add. But multiplication and division, you can multiply or you can divide. That is not a matter. Like fraction and rational numbers, you are already doing or not. If denominators are equal, you can add. Or if denominators are same, you can subtract also. But if denominators are not equal, then you have to make the same denominator. Like that only here in algebra, if variables are same, you can add or subtract. If variables are not same, you can't add, you can't subtract. Another one concept is if minus sign is outside of any brackets, okay, x plus 4y. When you opening this bracket, this inner sign will be changed. Plus x, which will become minus x. Here plus will come minus. Outside minus sign is there, then you have to multiply with the minus. Minus meaning minus 1. Minus sign meaning here minus 1 is there. Minus 1 into x is minus x. Minus 1 into plus 4y. Minus plus minus. That you have to remain. Okay, now we can start 11.2. 11.2, add 1 ABC minus 14 ABC minus 8 ABC integers chapter you know. Same sign should be add up and put a common sign. Different sign will be subtract and put a bigger number sign. So negative you can add same sign number. 14 plus 8 22 ABC and plus now no sign is there, that meaning addition is there, plus 1 ABC. Minus and plus different sign you have to subtract and put a bigger number sign. 22 minus 1 is 21, bigger number sign is minus. Okay, you can add this one column wise addition, this one horizontal wise also you can add, that is not a problem. 1 ABC minus numbers are 14 and 8, that you have to same number should be add up and subtract. Okay, here next one is fraction. Let's see rational numbers. So you have to do 2 by 3 plus 5 by 7 minus 7 by 5. Just now only I told denominators are different. Take LCM. Already I discussed in fraction and rational number chapter how to do. Take LCM and with LCM you have to multiply. Common LCM is 105. Do it the calculation. You will get a minus 2 divided by 105, a cube b raised to 4. Next, 4a raised to 4 b raised to 3c minus a raised to 4 b raised to 3c plus 6a raised to 4 b raised to 3c minus 3a raised to 4 b raised to 3c plus 2a raised to 4 b raised to 3c. Same. Like terms only, because here a raised to 4 b raised to 3c, a raised to 4 b 3c. So like terms only. So take a constant. Here nothing is there, then 1. Constant I taken, then common variable. Same sign numbers, negative sign, same sign numbers adding and put a common sign, and you different signs you have to subtract and put a bigger number sign. Fourth one also, 1x cube y plus 32x cube y minus 40x cube y plus 18x cube y minus 32x cube y. See numbers I taken, do the calculation, you will get. Decimal also same way. First you check it like terms or not. Like terms only you can add. Okay. Adding. Here a square b square, a square b square c, not like terms. Okay. A square b c, this also another time. If like terms numbers you can add. Different sign you have to subtract and put a bigger number sign. Here also subtract and put a bigger number sign. Here minus, here minus, same sign number you have to add up and you subtract with this one. Okay. Here also fraction. So first you have to solve fraction numbers. Take LCM, because denominators are different. Solve it with LCM. After that use it. Okay. See. Common variable is x, y raised to 4 is set here. Here common variable is this one. Here common variable is this. Here common variable is ABC. See. This is the answer. Okay. Question number 4. Subtract the following. Subtract also same way. Minus 3 raised to 4 minus minus minus. Same sign coming together. It will come positive. Plus and minus, subtract and put a bigger number. Same sign number you have to add up and put a common sign. Okay. Here also after from which number, that will come first, subtraction sign and minus 12. Minus minus same sign, positive sign. Both are positive numbers. Then add it and put a common sign. Okay. Now subtract again. But here you check it. Different terms. A square BC. Here AB square minus BQ from after from which number? After from which number, this one, that will come first. After that subtraction sign, this you put it in bracket. Just now only told, before bracket signs, minus sign is there, then you have to multiply with the minus sign throughout. It will come minus, minus plus, here will come minus, minus minus, it will come plus. Same variable, like terms only you have to take a b square c. Here where a b square c, a b square c, a also a b square c, a b square c. Okay, maybe book little bit correction, you correct it. Okay, a b square c. So like terms you have to take 23 ab square c, here 18 ab square c, it will come together, and 9 bq, here also plus bq, and here no like terms ab square alone only. So do the calculation. Clear? Next one, 21 a square bcq plus 37 abc plus 23 from this one. From after from which one? This one first. After that subtraction sign, then next this one you put in a bracket. Before bracket negative sign, you have to multiply with the negative sign throughout. Minus, this one come minus, here plus sign, minus plus, this also will come minus. Minus to this, because here no constant term is there, so separately I written. Okay, so you do it. Same sign, adding, different sign, subtracting and put a bigger number sign. No, nothing is there, so I put 0, 0, minus 23. This type of addition is so easy. Okay, column wise. Now question number 6. Find the perimeter of a triangle. Length are given. Perimeter meaning sum of 3 sides. 3 sides are there, sum of 3 sides, that is called a perimeter. So add it. Same sign, 7 plus 5, 12, 12 minus 1, 11. Now perimeter given, but no, length also given. You have to find out the breadth. Perimeter of rectangle, 2 into length plus breadth. That given as 5x minus 9y plus 2z. Length given 3x minus 5z. You have to give the value in this equation. See, 2 into L plus B equal to 2 into 3x minus 5z plus B. Given, perimeter given. You want 2b, I kept here only. This one term I taken to here. Okay, 6x will become minus 6x plus minus 10z will come plus 10z. Okay, after that we are doing the calculation. 2b equal to this much, then b equal to 2 is multiplying, it will be divide. I given each one as denominator 2, then 12 by 2 is 6. Next question is, which number be subtracted from this? Okay, so you have to get this one answer. What is the question? So suppose x be subtracted from 15 mnt minus 24 nt square. 15 mnt minus 24 nt square minus xx subtracting, you are getting 23 mnt plus 2 nt square. You want x value, so I taken minus x to this side. Minus x will come here, plus x. This will come here, change the sign, minus 23 and minus 2 nt square. You are getting the number minus 8 mnt minus 26 nt square. From the sum, after from which number is coming, that you have to write first. From the sum first you take out, sum taking, okay. You have to subtract from the sum this number, okay. Sum is this and subtracting this number, subtraction sign, this number will become in, this expression will come in bracket. Before minus sign you have to multiply with all. Minus 11 minus minus plus 2 minus plus minus 3 ABC. Do the calculation. Same sign you have to add it and put a common sign. Different sign you have to subtract and put a bigger number sign. I hope everybody understood the chapter. Copy down. Okay. Copy mark. I will give. Be ready with your copy.